How to enable voice chat on Roblox. Go to Roblox, Settings. Open the Privacy and Content Restrictions.
Tap on Communication. Click on Experience Chat. Unlock the chat feature on your account.
After that, I checked for the voice chat option, but it was still missing. Go to the Roblox Help Center. Open the support form page. Search Roblox Voice Chat. Scroll down and tap on Need More Help. Enter your account information correctly. Fill up the full from. Enter your first name, email address, issue details. Select device and type help category. Finally, describe your issue.
Complete the CAPTCHA verification. Submit the form successfully. Now wait for Roblox support to review your request, and hopefully Roblox team will enable voice chat on your account.